just say a few words about the man, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCFR, whose journey is deeply intertwined with Nigeria's democratic evolution and economic transformation, from his role in the pro-democracy struggle and, of course, his activity in public office. We have never been in doubt. He has never been convoluting in terms of his vision and the direction he wants this country to go in. And so we're celebrating a man who I believe has demonstrated courage in adversity. I mean, we're celebrating a man who has, through his courageous initiatives, has been able to pull the nation out of the economic precipice we're in before his assumption of office. We also owe him all our support. But in my view, it is not just even about the man. We're also celebrating what he has done for us. If you look at the macroeconomic pressures, we're not only seeing them ease off, but we are now seeing all our macroeconomic indicators stabilizing, from our foreign exchange regime. We're now seeing the rates stabilizing. The naira is not just stabilizing, but is also gaining strength by the day. On behalf of the government and the good people of Enugu State, we felicitate and celebrate the President and Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces, the Federal Republic of Nigeria, His Excellency President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCFR. We celebrate him at 74. And on behalf of the Enugu people, we say happy birthday, Mr. President. We pray that God continues to keep you in good health, and that you're always guided by wisdom and strength as you take us through this journey of renewal, through this journey of renewed hope agenda. And we pray that you continue to be strong for us and for our nation. We cannot thank you enough for all the great work you're doing for our country. May God bless you, Mr. President.